Hi, class. My name's John. I think most of you know me by now. If not, hi, nice to meet you. Um, my current field placement is at an agency that takes on clients from Trenton Psychiatric Hospital. My agency is located in Trenton, so it's a very local hospital. Um, the agency's basically vision is take uh, to take on these clients and integrate them back into community and eventually have them live on their own. Um, the population is adults with schizophrenia. Um, it's been an enjoyable experience so far. My one client, he has diet issues and personal hygiene problems, and he does not take care of his apartment at all. Um, so I've been working with him on trying to improve his hygiene, um, keep better care of his apartment, um, and working on his diet things. So I would say that the most enjoyable thing is to see him improve in those areas so far. I've been working on behavioral modification techniques with him, um, such as positive reinforcement. Like when he's cleaning, I have to show him how to clean it, so I have to model it, and then kind of give him the cleaning supplies to have him take over and just um, kind of give him, positive reinforcement along the way, telling him good job, you're doing a really good job. Um, so, and well, first few times with him, he really fought me on it. Um, but now we've gotten to a place where he may be resistant at times, but he is more willing to clean now. But he will not clean on his own. He always needs somebody there. This client is he's cognitively impaired, so he's 38, um, but he has intellectually he's like a 10-year-old boy. So he doesn't think in abstract terms, uh, just thinks in concrete terms, does not understand, um, what I would say, one of my challenges too is trying to get him to understand, since he doesn't like showering and stuff, to understand why he has to shower, um, to why he has to keep his apartment clean. He doesn't see the value in that. He doesn't understand that. And I still haven't reached him on that. So basically, I've just been working on his behaviors. Um, I've been trying to show him some videos that explain why it's important to clean, but I really haven't found anything really that's really helped yet. Um, so I've been working on his behaviors, which basically just requires me to constantly observe him and make sure he's cleaning and trying to get him to change his diet because he smokes a lot of cigarettes. And he basically his diet consists of cigarettes, soda, and candy. So, and he's lost a lot of weight, so that's a big concern right now. I've been working with him on that, and I have made some progress. I got him to eat vegetables. Um, so I think that's been the biggest challenge is trying to find find healthy alternatives for him to eat besides candy and soda. Um, so just making some progress there. was one thing I've learned about myself through this field experience. Well, I've learned how to become a better communicator. Uh, and I've like with my client who I mostly deal with, I it's merely really made me aware of how to improve how I can improve my communication skills. Um, because I took for granted that he understood. I thought he understood abstract things when I first met him, and I realized why I wasn't reaching him is because he only thinks in the concrete uh, thinking. He doesn't understand things like such as diseases and like, oh well, I should, most of us know to shower because if we don't shower, we smell. And not cleaning and not showering ourselves, we can lead to getting a cold because we have germs on us. He doesn't understand any of that. So I've learned how to. It's made me a better communicator, I think, with him and my other clients, and I learned that uh, also learned how to change my communication styles with each client. I mean, it's still an ongoing process. It's always going to be a learning experience, I feel like, because each client brings a different challenge to the table. But, I've learned, it's really made me aware of um, just my communication skills and how I talk to people. Um, so, yeah. So that's, it's been a really, really, I would say, enlightening experience so far. And I've been learning a ton. And I'm sure I'm going to learn a lot more in the next few months. Um, so that's it.